Plastic, It Kills by Zac and Ben. Plastic is polluting the air, water, and land. What we should do is use other materials instead of plastic. This will save both ecosystems and animals.
We all use plastic. It is used every day in many ways, such as bags, toys, chairs, etc. You might think that it is good and works well, but here's the truth, it doesn't. Did you know that less than 1% of plastic bags are recycled because it costs more to recycle than to make?
First, it is made in a factory, which is bad because it pollutes the air, water, and ground. It destroys the environment as they get the resources. They also add a lot of chemicals into the product. People then throw it away within a few days as if it doesn't matter.
Some proof that things are getting really bad is when you look at the Pacific garbage patch. Did you know that plastic accounts for 16% of all collected plastic? This is a real picture from the Pacific garbage patch, and yes, it is real.
An estimated 52% less energy goes into making plastic than metal or glass. If we use other materials, we will save the air, water, and land. It also saves many species like albatross.
If we use metal or glass instead of plastic, it will be a lot easier to recycle. Did you know that making things with recycled materials takes 50% less energy than starting it from scratch?
What countries can do is stop using plastic. Hopefully, other countries will see that and do the same. Also, a group of people can help, like the Greens in Australia. A single person can help too, like a president or a protester.
Did you know that 6.8% of all plastic was recycled in 2007? You might think that it was good, but when you think about how much plastic is made, then you will change your mind.
If we use things like metal and glass instead of plastic, it will be a lot better. Did you know that more than 37% of plastic bottles and plastic soda bottles are recycled, and 28% of milk bottles are recycled? Much more could be recycled if we didn't use plastic.
It would help the environment if we used other materials instead of plastic, because animals wouldn't eat it thinking it's food. This would be good because it would save species and all species that rely on it for food.
I don't think we use plastic in the right way. We should use it less and maybe eventually not at all. Did you know that 50% of all plastic goes into disposable things like packaging, and about a quarter goes into long-term things like pipes?
We live on a finite planet, which means that we have limited materials. If we keep producing and disposing like this, we will eventually run out of materials and space to put our trash in.
So after this, I hope you have seen that plastic is not only polluting the ground, but everywhere else as well. And also, it is not only killing animals, but ecosystems as well. The solution is to use other materials instead of plastic. So we also should support companies that try to make their products environmentally friendly. So here are our sources where we got our pictures and stats from. I hope you have enjoyed this and learned a lot. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.